we are going to discuss about how to attempt the exam paper. Before discussing how to attempt the exam paper, I want to tell you about the last 20 days strategy. Okay, so first thing that you have to start doing right away is meditation. So if you are not used to meditation, you can't do it directly on the day of the exam, right? And you have to start it from right from now. So my suggestion is just start doing meditation. And how many minutes that you should meditate is generally, if you see experienced people, they say that the number of minutes that you should meditate depends on your age. If you are 21 years old, you are supposed to meditate for 21 minutes. Okay, now what is meditation? Just close your eyes, sit down at a place, and let your thoughts come and go. Don't get involved in your thoughts. Okay, think that they are not your thoughts. Just observe what is coming in your mind and just what is leaving. And you can also focus on breath. Close your eyes and just take breath and leave it, and you focus in it, right? Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Focus only on your breath. So if you are lucky enough to have good place near your home, you can go and sit there in nature. If you have a park nearby, or if you are from a place like Darjeeling or something, if you are lucky that way, you can just go and sit in the nature. Don't do anything, just sit in the bench in a park and just watch the trees and listen to the birds. So wake up in the morning, go to a park, just sit down for 20-30 minutes. Don't do anything else, don't do any workout, just sit down. You will be very relaxed. Or if you have any water body, if you have any water body in your place, at your place, you can just go and sit there. So by water body, what I mean is, there may be it might be a sea, or it might be a river, or it might be a creek. Just go and sit there and listen to the sound of the water for 20 minutes. That is also meditation. Or if you don't have anything, then there are a lot of apps available which will help you meditate. They will give you pleasant music and pleasant some sounds. Okay, so lake or whatever. So you can also use the app. Got it? Fine. So start meditating right now. We have only 27 days. Okay, start your meditation now. Second thing that you should be doing is, after meditation, second thing that you should be doing is the actual part, revision. So revise. Last 21 days you have to revise. Now you have to solve all the previous year question papers. PYQs are very important. Previous year question papers are very important. Okay, so if you haven't solved them, solve now. Even solving PYQs is also revision. And while solving PYQs, if you find out that you are not confident in some subjects, then go and revise. Okay, after PYQs, do the test series. Again, test series is also a form of revision. And if you do well in all the questions in test series, that is fine. And if you are not able to attempt some questions, go and revise. Okay, these things you should definitely follow. Got it? And coming to the last 7 days, if your exam is on 13th, let us say from 6th onwards, don't learn anything new, only revision. Just keep on revising for the last 7 days, nothing else. Just keep on revising, and remember to sleep well in the last 1 week. You can work hard now, you can work for 14 hours, 18 hours during this time, but when it is time for the exam, exactly 7 days before the exam, you have to just sleep well in that last 1 week. Okay, and one problem that we have now is that GATE is going to be conducted in 2 slots. Some people are getting the morning slot and some people are getting the afternoon slot. Morning slot is generally easy because we can focus, but afternoon slot is very difficult to focus. So for that reason, now from now onwards, you try to take a grand test every day in the afternoon, exactly during the time that your gate exam is going to happen. If your gate exam is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m., let us say, every day from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. you have to you know take a test. Then your mind will get adjusted to working in the afternoon. Generally, you might be having a habit of taking a nap in the afternoon. You just have to stop that habit. Otherwise, in the exam hall also, your mind will get automatically get into that sleepy mode, and you will not be able to write well. Okay, just remember that. And one day before the exam, try to go and see where your examination center is, and try to estimate about how much time it is going for you, it is taking for you to reach the examination hall. Okay, just before the exam, one day before the exam, go and see the examination hall. Okay, and the night before the exam, try to sleep at least for 8 hours. If you are not able to sleep well, consult a doctor. They are going to give you some sleeping pills, and that is not harmful for few days. Try to tell them that you are not able to sleep. Sleep is very important, especially before the exam. Okay, so just consult a doctor if you are not able to sleep well. At least the day before the exam, you have to sleep well, at least 8 hours. Okay, now after the exam, before the exam, try to reach the examination center 2 hours in advance. Okay, so don't be late, because if you are having if you will be having a lot of tension about reaching the exam. Okay, so please reach the exam 2 hours in advance, exam center. Okay, so that you will not have any tension in your mind. Your mind will be relaxed. And after you reach the examination hall, you are going examination center, you are going to see lot of people standing outside the examination center and just flipping the pages. That is going to create lot of tension in you. So stand 1 kilometer away from the examination hall and simply plug in music. Okay, carry the music. So carry music and simply you plug in some music. Okay, play some music and get lost in music. So don't worry about the exam at all. You just get lost in the music, nothing else. Okay, the simple tip is, before the exam, if you have to relax for those 2 hours, just listen to music. Carry very good headphones and play your favorite songs, whatever songs that you like. Just play them and close your eyes and don't think about exam. And if you do this, you are going to go to the exam with a very fresh mind. Okay, so don't stand at the examination center and don't see your friends opening their books and flipping through the concepts as if they are going to learn everything there. Don't carry books to the examination center. Okay, yeah, you can play any music. Someone has written that honey sing. Okay, so you can play any music. Okay, and it is best to take a very good fruit diet in the morning. So on the day of the exam, don't eat paratha, aloo paratha, or idli, sambar, or this dosa with oil. So don't eat any oily food. Best to have a fruit diet. Just cut the fruits, maybe bananas, watermelon, pineapple, papaya. You cut these fruits and have them. Okay, and in fact, you do it yourself, because while doing it, you will not have any. Actually, you will not think about the exam. Don't ask your mom to do it. You cut it yourself. That way, you will actually be doing some work, and you will forget about the exam. Okay, don't worry about exam at all. Someone has written that don't drink alcohol before exam. I don't think that anyone is going to drink alcohol before exam. Okay, So even for those who are having afternoon session, you to have fruit diet and go, have fruits and go, and have plenty of water. Carry a water bottle and keep sipping water. That is going to keep you calm. That will reduce your nervousness, so you will not panic in the exam. Okay, so keep sipping lot of water. That is what you should do. Okay.